Hi everyone, it's Friday, so it's my non-working day, but I am on a mission today to get loads of stuff done. I have always got a massive to-do list, and I thought just going to take you along. This weekend is going to be a really busy weekend, and I think I'm going to just vlog it and see what comes. So today, what I have been doing and what I've been planning to do is I am speed cleaning the house today. I'm going away next week for work, so I won't be around for a couple of days, so I need to just get everything up to date, the laundry, the cleaning, everything up to date as I can. And tomorrow, so that's today, so Emily's at school. She's then got street surfing, which is a bit like skateboarding, after school, and then she's going to swimming, so it's going to be pretty hectic until about 6:30, and then I'm going to bring her home, and then I need to turn around and go straight back out again, because I'm babysitting for my sister tonight. And then tomorrow we as a family are off to my little nephew's house for a party, but it's not around the corner, it's about an hour and a half drive, so we're going to go there for a little birthday tea, and then we're going to stop at IKEA on the way home. So I want to buy a new desk. Okay, so this is what I am thinking of. It's a Linman tabletop. It's got trestle legs and then this little unit down the side. Although I am thinking that I'd quite like that unit in black, and it does come in black, or like a very dark blue. And what I'm thinking is I would actually, in our space, I may have it that way round, or I might put the desks, the drawers down this side. And what I'm thinking is that could be a space where I could edit. The children could do their homework, and it be in more of a central place so that we can be there, we can help them, rather than Ollie being tucked away in his room. So that's the plan. I'm hoping, really fingers crossed. It says that all the elements that I want are in stock in Exeter, so fingers crossed I can get it. In a minute, I've got an electrician coming round. Actually, above my head, these lights, they haven't worked for ages, and it's just like a chandelier light basically, because the dimmer switch stopped working probably about 6 months ago, and I haven't done anything about it. And now I've got to the point where I want lots of other things done, so I've spoken to an electrician to come and do those things for me. So one of the downlighters in the bathroom has gone, the wireless receiver for the boiler has gone, and that is really important because even though the boiler's working, it doesn't communicate with the thermostat, so technically we have no heating, and it's okay and bearable at the moment, but I'm not sure for how much longer. We also, I'm going to have a new light in the toilet, a new light in the hallway, no, not the hallway, the porchway, and a new light in the dining room. So if I can show you the light that I've bought for the porch, which I'm quite excited about. So this is the light that I've bought. It's a tapered hanging lantern to go outside in the porch. We've already got one outside light that is this kind of silvery colour, so I wanted to kind of mirror what we've got, but I wanted a better light. I really am not keen on the light that I've got out there. So yeah, so I've purchased that. I'm really happy with that. I just hope the electrician is happy to fit it, that it's okay. I have got to make sure that I've got, or I am getting, the correct bulbs for this actually. So that's a job to do. So yes, I'm going to actually leave that out so he can see that in a minute when he comes. And if I just show you, so this light up here, I do really like that in the hall, and it does let out really good light for coats and shoes, sort of cloakroom area that we've got. But in our bathroom, I'm just going to show this to you. In the toilet, there's this awful light. Look at this light. I mean, I don't even like switching it on. I don't even like the sound of it. I hate it, in fact. And we have got one exactly the same as this in our porch, and I hate it. So that is hopefully going. The light's going to be quite similar to the one that one up there that we've got in the hall. So it's going to be a similar sort of style. So, you know, that's the plan, is to get all of this stuff done with the electrician, like in one go, basically, because I'm not under any illusions that it's going to be cheap, but I'm going to be so much really, really happy with the results once it's all done. So I'm really pleased the electrician has just been, and he sorted out the bathroom light, which is amazing. We've had half of the bathroom in darkness for about 3 months, so I'm so pleased that he's mended that like within about 2 minutes. He's going to put a new light up in the porch, the new light in the toilet, the light in the dining room. He's going to do the switch in the sitting room. He's going to replace a wireless receiver that we have for our heating, and he's going to put new lights up in the attic for 120 quid. And when he said that was £120, I was like, yes, absolutely. I mean, I've got to buy the bits. I've got to buy like the lights and the switch. Well, actually, already had the switch, but the other bits that we need, which is completely fine. But I was like, £120, yes, absolutely. It's these jobs that I've wanted done for ages. And I will have a go at things. You know, if you've been watching my channel, that I will do DIY. I love a power tool. I'll have a go at most things, but I draw the line at electrics, and I just wouldn't want to do something that would endanger my family. So I draw the line at that. And so it's just great that I'm actually going to get all these things done, and he can come and do it either sort of end of next week or the week after, and it's just going to be great and amazing to get all these jobs done. So before I carry on, I just thought I'd show you that I went to the charity shop this morning. I just want to show you what I got, so I'm really chuffed. The first thing is that I got this Abercrombie & Fitch striped shirt, and it says large, but really, I mean, it so isn't. It's completely fine. I haven't actually tried it on yet, but I really, really like it. I love the colour, and I think with some nice, you know, tight jeans and some boots, that would look lovely. The second thing that I got was this dress. So it's a Marks and Spencer's collection dress in black, and it's got quite a nice gathered detail at the side. It does, I'm not sure, it's a V-neck. It may be low on me, so I may need to wear a camisole with it, but in the winter I would probably do that anyway, and it's quite long. This sort of thing, this sort of dress is exactly the kind of thing that I like to wear in the autumn. So I am completely in love with wearing dresses, tights and long boots. So I love those. And the next thing is these. I'm so happy with these. Look at these Echo boots, and they're new. I couldn't believe it. Look, they're like brand new on the sole. Really, really nice style. And on the ticket they were They were £12.50, which is a lot, but I imagine that they were probably like £100 or something new. And I have tried them on. They're slightly too big, but I think just with some thick socks in the winter, they'll be absolutely perfect with jeans when I'm going out on the school run or whatever, going for a walk. So completely think that they are such a good bargain. Really, really chuffed with those. Better get back to the cleaning. Right, so it's only 2:30 and actually I've done really, really well today. It's been such a manic Friday. And so I've been out, I've got the other light that I had to pick up. I just wanted to show you. So here we go, here it is. It's the London Bronze One Light Fitting, ceiling light fitting. So it's a pendant. So there's a little picture on the back, it's probably a better picture. So it's a pendant light, but this part, the outside part, actually looks really dark when I saw it in the shop. So it's from Dunelm, it was £49, and I thought actually that could work really well because the light in the dining room is black, and I thought then it would kind of echo it and it would complement it. So I thought I would go for that, and I wanted to pick it up because I think the electrician can come next week, early next week, and fit it. So I wanted to go and pick it up, and then I thought I must wash the car because it was completely covered. And while I was out, I thought, you know, I'm just going to put it through the car wash, and it saved me a ton of time. So now I can do something else. I need to get some stuff out of the attic for my sister because I'm babysitting for her tonight, and I have said that she can have the Doll's House and Pirate Ship for my nieces and my nephew. And as soon as I'm going around there, I think I might just put it all in the back of the car, so then she's got it and I haven't got it, and I'm making space. And yeah, so I'm going to do that now. I think it's time for another coffee. So here it is. This is the little house that I bought. I actually bought it for Emily, and then I quite quickly decided that perhaps, I don't know, that she wasn't gonna play with it. I didn't feel, not enough, you know, and really she was just a bit too grown up for it. So I'm selling this and all of the furniture, some cute little bits of furniture and bits and pieces. I'm just going to sell all of this, and I have agreed £20 for the lot, which I think is pretty good. So yeah, gonna sort of reluctantly let it go. So that was the end of a really, really long day today. I picked Emily up from school. She had a snack. I took her to swimming, and then had to rush home, and then I went and babysat for my sister. It's now like midnight. I've had a wash and I am beat and I'm going to bed. So I will see you next time, guys. Bye.